What's the title?
Wild Paws and Claws.
Okay. What happens to cats who don't eat meat?
Cats who eat no meat cannot survive.
Are cats excellent hunters?
Yes, cats are very excellent hunters.
How are cats' hearing and vision?
They can hear many sounds that the human ear cannot detect, and their night vision is much better than ours, more than 6 times better than people's.
Where do cats keep their claws?
Most cats, when not hunting or climbing, most cats pull their sharp claws into special pockets in their paws.
Next page. What is the leopard considered?
The leopard is considered a more cunning and skillful stalker than the larger cats.
How is the leopard the most adaptable?
It is also the most adaptable of the big cats, capable of living in many different habitats and able to capture and eat a wide variety of prey.
Does the leopard hunt alone?
Yes, leopards hunt alone.
Next page. Who are the only cats that live together?
Lions are the only cats that live together in groups called Paws.
How many cats can live together?
As many as 40 cats all live together in a distinct territory which can extend as far as 10 miles.
What do lionesses hunt?
Lionesses often hunt big animals, zebras, giraffes, or even young elephants.
How much do lions weigh?
Male lion. Some males weigh over 500 pounds, and the females are often over 300 pounds.
Okay, next page. How long do the cubs depend on the mother?
The cubs depend on their mother for around 2 years.
Is the tiger the biggest cat of all?
No.
Is the tiger the biggest cat of all?
Yes, the tiger is the biggest cat of them all.
How big is the Siberian tiger?
The Siberian tiger, which can be over 10 feet long and weigh more than 600 pounds.
The tigers have the largest teeth of any land-based carnivore.
Yes, they have the largest teeth of any land-based carnivore.
Okay, next page. Where do many tigers spend their time?
Many tigers spend their time in jungles which are steamy, sticky, and very hot.
Do tigers like water?
Yes, splashing, swimming, and lounging in lakes or rivers, the tiger seems to love being in the water far more than most cats.
What is different about every tiger?
From a distance, tigers may look identical, but just as all fingerprints are different, all tigers have different stripes.
What use does the tiger have for his stripes?
The tiger's handsome orange-black striped coat is not just decorative. In tall grasses, forests, and jungles where narrow stripes of light filter down between leaves, their stripes are the perfect camouflage.
Okay, so 한마디로 하면 what is it for?
It's for camouflage.
Next page. Where are jaguars found today?
Today they are found only in Central America and parts of South America.
Do most jaguars live in the mountains?
No, most jaguars now live in tropical forests, especially those close to rivers or lakes.
What do jaguars catch, near or in the water?
These animals are excellent swimmers and highly skilled at capturing prey, which live in, on, or near the water. So they catch fish, turtles, and other freshwater animals. And are adept at catching snakes, even the powerful, ferocious anaconda.
What are jaguars sometimes mistaken for?
Due to the similarity of their fur color and markings, jaguars are sometimes mistaken for leopards.
Can any cat move faster than a cheetah?
No, No cat moves faster than the cheetah.
Is the cheetah the fastest animal in the world?
Yes, the cheetah is the fastest land animal in the world.
What is the key to the cheetah's speed?
The key to the cheetah's astounding speed is its long legs and flexible spine.
Next page. Can a cheetah retract its claws?
No, their claws do not retract.
What doesn't a cheetah have enough strength to do?
They don't have enough strength to drag their prey very far.
What has endangered the survival of those animals?
These and many other wildcats are in danger of disappearing for many reasons.
So, what has endangered the survival of these animals?
The survival of these animals has been seriously harmed by everything from the illegal fur trade to poaching and habitat loss.
What percentage of wildcats are endangered?
The world's wild area are vanishing at an alarming rate, so wildcats now have much less territory in which to live, breed, hunt, roam, and survive.
So, what percentage of wildcats are endangered?
Over 70% of all wildcat species are endangered in all or in parts of their range.
Right.
Wild paws and claws. From the smallest kitten to the largest lion, all cats belong to the Felidae family. Every cat is unique, yet all cats share many of the same characteristics. Also, people can change their eating habits to remove meat from their meals. Cats who eat no meat cannot survive. No cats are vegetarians. All cats, wild and tame alike, are carnivores, meat eaters. Cats would not have survived in the wild for thousands of years if they were not excellent hunters. They have strong muscles, excellent eyesight, keen hearing, and strong teeth. They can hear many sounds that the human ear cannot detect, and their night vision is much better than ours, more than 6 times better than people's. Cats are also far more athletic than people in the sense that they can twist, turn, and jump in ways that we cannot. That is because they have a more flexible or resilient spine than we. And even the smallest cat has 40 more bones in its body than we do. When not hunting or climbing, most cats pull their sharp claws into special pockets in their paws. Cats who can push their claws out and pull them in are said to have retractable claws. Almost all cats have such claws. Now let's take a look at 5 of the most fascinating cats in the wild. Leopards. With an average weight of only 100 pounds, the leopard is the smallest of the big cats, but size does not always determine hunting skills. The leopard is considered a more cunning and skillful stalker than the larger cats. It is also the most adaptable of the big cats, capable of living in many different habitats and able to capture and eat a wide variety of prey. Leopard cubs remain with their mothers until they are about 2 years old. Their mothers teach them the art of hunting. The superior tree climber, the leopard is also regarded by many as the most sure-footed and graceful of all wild cats. The leopard is not a noisy animal. This cat's silence enhances its skills as a hunter. It hunts alone, usually at night. It approaches prey patiently and very quietly before making a strong, graceful leap and taking its prey by surprise. Leopards often drag their prey up into a tree to keep it away from other hungry cats who want to share the meal. The black panther is actually a leopard with a coat of almost invisible spots on a black background. The snow leopard has a very thick, warm coat of pale gray fur. The perfect wardrobe for its snow habitat, the highest, coldest mountains in the world. A unique leopard is the cloud leopard, a cat in a class all by itself. Like most big cats, it is an exceptional hunter with powerful teeth. But like small domestic cats, it cannot roll, but it can purr. Most leopards in Africa and Asia have spotted fur, a camouflage which helps them hide from predators and surprise their prey. Lions. Lions are the only cats that live together in groups called Paws. As many as 40 cats all live together in a distinct territory, which can extend as far as 10 miles. The average pride includes many lionesses and all their cubs, plus a few adult males. Lions also hunt together. Hunting is usually done by the lionesses in the pride. Since they hunt in groups, they can surround their prey. So lionesses often hunt big animals, zebras, giraffes, or even young elephants. Even so, most of the food is captured by the females. The male lions die first. And when they have finished their meal, the rest of the family can start eating. Instead of eating every day, most lions gorge, eating 75 pounds of meat at a time, and a male lion may not eat again until a week later. Also, not quite the biggest of the big cats, lions are very large animals. Male lions have heavy, thick manes, which make them look even bigger. Some males weigh over 500 pounds, and the females are often over 300 pounds. How many baby lions are born at one time? Each litter has 1 to 5 cubs. The cubs depend on their mother for around 2 years. When they are grown, the females remain in the pride while the males set off to establish their own prides or to search for one to join. Most of the parenting and hunting is done by the female. The main job of the male lion is to protect the pride and defend its territory. Why is the roar of a lion so famous? A lion's roar is so powerful that it can be heard 5 miles away. Tigers. Powerful, beautiful, and mysterious, the tiger is the biggest cat of them all. The Siberian tiger, which can be over 10 feet long and weigh more than 600 pounds, is the largest tiger in the world. Unlike lions, tigers spend most of their lives living and hunting alone. Because of their large size, tigers do not run fast enough to capture most of their prey in a chase. So they use a silent, stealthy attack. Camouflaged by its coat, a tiger can creep up quietly, getting as close as possible before taking a great pouncing leap and biting with the largest teeth of any land-based carnivore. Many tigers spend their time in jungles, which are steamy, sticky, and very hot. Since tigers have a warm, furry coat, it is not surprising that they want to cool off, splashing, swimming, and lounging in lakes or rivers. The tiger seems to love being in the water far more than most cats. From a distance, tigers may look identical, but just as all fingerprints are different, all tigers have different stripes. If you cannot tell one tiger from another, look at the stripe pattern on the face. The markings are so distinctive that they make it easy to tell two tigers apart. The tiger's handsome orange and black striped coat is not just decorative. In tall grasses, forests, and jungles, where narrow stripes of light filter down between leaves. Their stripes are the perfect camouflage. But not all tigers have an orange and black coat. A white tiger with black stripes lives in northern climates, where the lighter color is much better camouflage for hiding in the snow. Jaguars. After tigers and lions, jaguars are the third largest of the big cats. Jaguars come in many sizes, and their size usually depends on where they live. Adults in open habitats outside the equatorial region can reach 300 to 350 pounds, while those in equatorial forests weigh closer to 125 pounds. Also, jaguars once lived in the whole of North and South America. Their range is now much smaller. Today, they are found only in Central America and parts of South America. Most jaguars now live in tropical forests, especially those close to rivers or lakes. These animals are excellent swimmers and highly skilled at capturing prey, which live in, on, or near the water. They catch fish, turtles, and other freshwater animals, and are adept at catching snakes, even the powerful ferocious anaconda. Other important animals in their food group include the armadillo, the deer, and the tree sloth. The jaguar is not quite as talented a tree climber as the leopard, but prey being pursued by a jaguar can make a fatal mistake if they try to escape by climbing a tree. Due to the similarity of their fur color and markings, jaguars are sometimes mistaken for leopards. Their coats are similar, but the jaguar has shorter legs, a larger head, and a stockier body. The recent markings on the jaguar's fur are also bigger. Once in a while, you may see jaguars or leopards that look almost pure black. This is due to melanism, a genetic difference that causes an increase in dark pigmentation. The world's first jaguar reserve was established in southern Bangladesh in 1984. Cheetahs. Many cats can move fast, but no cat moves faster than the cheetah. It is not just the fastest cat over short distances. The cheetah is the fastest land animal in the world. Over short distances, the cheetah sprinting from 0 to 40 miles per hour in 2 seconds can also get up to speed faster than a sports car. The key to the cheetah's astounding speed is its long legs and flexible spine. When running, the cheetah arches its back and tucks its feet together. Then, like a spring, the spine uncoils and the legs shoot out, giving the cheetah the longest stride in the world. Their astounding speed is not the only unique thing about cheetahs. Indeed, they are so unlike most other cats that cheetahs are considered a separate species. Why? Their claws do not retract. They lack strong, sharp teeth, and powerful jaws. They don't have enough strength to drag their prey very far. They do not climb trees, do not have long whiskers, and do not roll. But cheetahs have survived because they have a deep chest filled with large lungs, a trim, slender, yet very muscular body, and a copper and golden brown coat of fur with brown or black spots, which becomes a useful camouflage when hiding from their enemies. Of course, cheetahs also have an amazingly supple spine, plus great flexibility and very long legs. to power their unique running style. Racing up a hill or across a field, the sight of a cheetah in motion is one of the most beautiful sights on earth. Big cats in trouble. The lion is found mostly in Africa, with a smaller population in India. The leopard and cheetah live in Africa, as well as some regions of Asia. Tigers reside in Asia and Siberia. These and many other wild cats are in danger of disappearing for many reasons. The survival of these animals has been seriously harmed by everything from the illegal fur trade to poaching and habitat loss. The world's wild area and banishing an alarming rate, so wild cats now have a much less territory in which to live, breed, hunt, roam, and survive. Over 70% of all wild cat species are endangered, in all or in parts of their range. Because extinction is forever, conservation groups in many countries are now dedicated to saving wild cat species from extinction.